আজকের এপিসোড 187 আর আজকের এপিসোডে দেখা হবে অপূর্ব কিছু ওভেন পেঠানি দেখাবো আমি। পেঠানির ওপর নানা রকম চান্দেরি থেকে শুরু করে বন্ধেজ, নানান রকমের ওপর পেঠানি উইভ যেটা আমরা বলি সেরকম বন্ধেজ এবং নানা রকমের পেঠানি ওভেন। পেঠানির এপিসোড নাম্বার 187। মাইসেলফ লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত ফ্রম সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা। 1 নম্বর প্রোডাক্ট চান্দেরি বেনারসি, তার মধ্যে পেঠানি ওভেন বর্ডার। পুরোটা গোল্ড মিনা দিয়ে উইভিং করা হয়েছে পুরো বডিতে। বর্ডারের মধ্যে কিন্তু আবার পেঠানি ওভেন, মিনা বর্ডার, মিনা পেঠানি ওভেন পাল্লু। এগুলো কিন্তু সমস্ত চান্দেরি বেনারসি, এগুলো কিন্তু 100% সিল্ক না, এর মধ্যে ব্লেন্ডিং আছে। রেঞ্জটাও যার জন্য খুবই রিজনেবল এবং খুব গর্জাস লুক। অনেক সময় কি হয়, আমাদের সবসময় তো আর আমরা সবসময় এক্সপেন্সিভ শাড়ি সবসময় গিফটে বা নিজের জন্য হলো কোনো অনুষ্ঠানে আমরা সবসময় কিনে ওঠা হয় না, তার জন্য তারই মানে ওরকম টাইপেরই কনসেপ্টে তৈরি পেঠানির ওপর করা হয়েছে, বাট ইন চান্দেরি ওভেন। বিউটিফুল অল ওভার, পুরোটা গোল্ড উইভের মধ্যে যাচ্ছে উইথ মিনা বুটা, মিনা বর্ডার। আর এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিসটা আমার কাছে আলাদা করে আছে। ব্লাউজ পিসটা কিন্তু পড়ে গেছে। হ্যাঁ, এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা আসছে রেড ব্লাউজ পিস উইথ দ্য ওভেন বর্ডার। এটার ব্লাউজ পিস এটা আসবে, খুব সুন্দর একদম উইভটা। আর যেহেতু অল ওভার এটার মধ্যে জারি উইভ আছে, একটা ভীষণ গর্জাস একটা লুক। শাড়িটা আমি ভালো করে দেখাই, দেখুন একদম খুব ট্রেডিশনাল আগমনী কালেকশনের ওপর উইদাউট আ টাচ অফ ব্ল্যাক, গোল্ড অ্যান্ড সিলভার বোথ zari is there, both the color zari is there with touch of silver along with gold. Throughout it will have Meena small buttas and it's in Chanderi Paithani. This is the pallu part with red blouse piece. The blouse piece of course will have the Paithani border, and this is product number 1. Price 8500, 8500 is for the sari. Now coming to all over ikat Paithani weave. Throughout will have the ikat patola weave in Chanderi Banarasi. The initial few sarees I will show you some lovely patola weaves in ikat, in Chanderi Banarasi. 8500 Chanderi Banarasi with ikat all over patola weave. The body part, the border is in Banarasi weave. See, there is a touch of zari also, very traditional woven sari. This is the back side of the sari. This is the back side woven part of the sari, fully woven with a beautiful hot pink color Banarasi woven blouse piece with this. So this is the blouse piece and this is the sari. Very rich, extremely traditional, but at the same time reasonably priced also, pocket friendly. 8500 in this gorgeous rich ikat patola weave. I'll show you some lovely colors in this, all 8500 range, but just the design and the combinations will change. This is in a green shade, very rich gorgeous sari. The double ikat patola original silk weaves, which are handloom products, they are extremely expensive, more than 25-30,000. So just keeping in mind those designs, we've woven it in Chanderi Banarasi weave. with Banarasi woven traditional border and all over Ikat Patola weave. It is not block print, it is woven, but it is not 100% silk, it's Chanderi Banarasi. So that's why the price is lot cheaper, but the look is very gorgeous and very pretty. Again, this too will have this hot pink color blouse piece with all over Banarasi buta, and of course it will have this border. Bright, beautiful color combination, and here comes your pallu part. Golden yellow and rani. The vibrant color and the exquisite weave, you know, makes it really gorgeous and rich textile. Beautiful sari, woven patola ikat, blouse piece again in hot pink. No recreation, single piece collection, first come first serve basis. Once the payment is done in the business account, we'll give you the business account bank details. Once the product is available, we'll confirm you the availability of the product, and once the payment is done, we will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. And blouse stitching, we do blouse stitching with an additional charge. Once the transfer is done, we'll contact you to the tailoring department and you can go ahead with your designs and measurements. Wine color, double border, beautiful ikat all over woven in birds and figures, animals. All these that I was showing you are all animal and bird figures. 8500 for this too. With a red, rich, gorgeous blouse piece. Rich color, extremely stunning color with a red border. Ideal for weddings, for gifting, for personal use during wedding season. Anniversaries, lovely weave. Number 6. These two are all figure motifs. Can you see the flower and the animal, peacock? The parrot, you know, they're very pretty, you know, animal weaves along with florals. Traditional ikat weave, patola weave with zari woven Banarasi border, vibrant colors, rich vibrant colors, keeping in mind the wedding season, and very rich. Yes, I have a very rich blouse piece to go with it. Since the body is all over woven, the blouse piece in solid color. All you have to do, take the screenshot of the product. The prices, the number is mentioned. Don't crop that off. That is important. That is important for me to keep the noting of the number. So kindly don't crop off the number. Take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. This particular piece is 7,700. WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. If it is available, we'll give you the bank details. You make the payment, we ship the product to you. And those who are new to the channel, we are a 26-year-old brand, Sanskriti, in Baliganj, Kolkata. We have two branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day to help you out doing your shopping. And we have our menswear collection in the Cornfield Road branch. Tailoring department is there. You can drape the products, see for yourself how it looks. You can come and see the fabrics, the variety that we keep in both the branches. Cash on delivery, as I said, only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. Courier charges are applicable, and the more you buy, the less you pay for shipping charges internationally. This is also 7700, another color of the Rani. This is a purple tone. And proper GST invoice will be going with each of your product. So those who are new, don't worry about your money. You are paying to a business account in a reputed bank. This is the sari. Very closely check out the weave. Chandeli Banarasi. After a long time I am showing you Chandeli Banarasi. There were many enquiries about to show Chanderis, but after a long time now. This is Chandeli Banarasi with bandhej. I'll explain it to you, the weave. This bandhej is not the tie and dye bandhej. It's a woven concept in bandhej motif. The back side you see, you can understand. So this is the bandhej weave. Totally woven. The zari border, woven zari border, red and purple color combination, bridal collection, and reasonably priced but very rich color chart. 6990 only. 6,990 rupees for this Chandeli bandhej woven Banarasi with a bright purple color blouse piece to match with this. Red and purple vibrant color combination and rich Banarasi weave. Pallu. Navy and red color combination in the same design. All woven, everything is woven in this, no printing, totally woven. The bandhej part, as I showed you the back side, it's fully woven. Normal dry clean, no extra maintenance for this. Like sometimes you keep asking me how to maintain. Of course, no special maintenance, just normal dry clean and sometimes polish. 6990. Product number 9, navy and red color combination, bandhej Banarasi in Chandeli Banarasi. This is a rich red woven blouse piece. Border, buta. Blouse piece will have the border and the buta. I have another very pretty color combination of a dark magenta burgundy tone kind of with red also. So this is all for some rich Chandeli Banarasis. Blouse piece, rich red blouse. So all the colors are vibrant and bright color combination chart that I showed you till now. Pallu and price only 6990. Here's the sari. Now moving to Paithani, pure silk Paithani with original tie and dye bandhej, woven in another state, bandhej done in another state. Now I'd shown you similar type before also, but not in Paithani. Before I'd shown you Kanji silks with bandhej. Now this is Paithani with bandhej. So you see amalgamation of two states, a concept of two different states woven in one particular piece. Now this is not polished. Once we do the polish, the width will be your width. But personally, I feel you have to iron the border pallu and the body half part, where I just prefer to keep this part slightly the tie and dye concept, not fully ironed, only from the place where you will be doing your pleats. I prefer, otherwise we'll do the whole polish for you and send it to you. You have to give us time for polishing. This is a burgundy color blouse piece, tie and dye bandhej with Paithani border. So this is the sari. The bandi part, the ironing needs to be done to give it the full length, full width of the product, and this is the sari, exclusive combination of slate color with burgundy color, 16,900, and that too in Paithani woven border. Very difficult to get blouse pieces matching with this because these are all dyed, tie and dyed. So wear it with this particular blouse itself. Now see the blouse piece of this one. It's charcoal black color blouse piece, bandhej with Paithani. Paithani woven pallu border. All the upper part will have comparatively narrower border than the lower Paithani border. These are all pure silks with bandhej, and that too hand bandhej. See the border weave. Very pretty Meena, little hatke border, it's in floral. Pallu. Usually in Paithani we see figures, peacocks and birds and flowers, but this is only floral. Copper color. Brown with rust and copper. Stunning color combinations. This is a mustard brown color with deep rust or maroon, you can say, border. $16,900, product number 13. And here comes the blouse piece, darker tone. See, this way you can understand the tie and dye shade of the border and the body. All these still pictures will be uploaded in our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, Bandhej album. You can check out the album. Right after the episode it will be uploaded, so you can check out the still pictures to get a clear concept of the color combinations. Though I am showing you very closely, very details, I am explaining the things to you, the color chart I am explaining, but still, since you are buying online, I understand. Of course, take your time and check out the page also, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. This is the blouse piece. Comes in dark chocolate color The body is a very unique shade of dark snuff color, you can say, mehendi green color. Very uncommon color chart with very rich dark maroon. Pallu and blouse piece border 16,900 Patni woven border pallu, blouse piece. And this is the sari. So when you, it will be like this, okay, after ironing. Very rich color combination. Now coming to the pure Katan silk Paithani Banarasi weave, like the one that I am wearing. Pure heavy quality Katan with Paithani border woven. It's a lime green color, two-tone, zari gold butta, very subtle woven border, Paithani subtle woven border. Pallu 16,900. With running blouse piece. This will be the blouse piece of the sari. Fully in single color, no contrast, but trust me, it look really nice, because since the color is very bright color, very unique color, the zari and the color combination of the weave has been kept very subtle but rich. This way you can understand the exact concept of the full look of your product. Whoever will get the product will just have to get an idea of how it will look. 16,900. Now I'll show you the rich colors in this concept also. Two-tone red, red pink, double tone, Katan Paithani, see the color, beautiful color chart. It's a pinkish red color, dual tone of red and rani. 16,900, product number 16. Paithani woven border with Meena. All over zari butta and running blouse piece. All these have running blouses. Can you see the two-tone color? It's red rani color. Somewhat magenta, you can say. This way you see the color first, then I'll open the sari for you. This is a slate color. The border design and the butta design changes. Zari butta, pure heavy quality Katan silk. Slate and magenta color combination, purplish magenta. Achol 16,900. All same price, pure Katan silk. running blouse piece. The body will have butta, the blouse piece will not have the butta. This is the difference. Peacock blue. This color really is a very rich color, and see the bright Meena weave in the border. Gold zari with Meena weave. Beautiful color combination. Blouse piece. Very pretty color, and this Patni hand woven pure handloom product, 16,900. The butta is also very small, tiny paisley buttas. Now this particular piece is in deep magenta with big butta. Border. Pure handloom product, pure Katan silk, heavy quality, Meena hand woven, Patni with running blouse piece. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel to get regular notifications. There's the bell icons where you can just press the all notifications to get all messages. In the Facebook page, we give the preview of the product that will be shown in the upcoming videos. You can check out our WhatsApp status 7603042696 to check out our repetition of stocks, the reviews, customers, our loyal customers draping our products, their photos which they send us with love. Thanks so much for sharing our pictures. Thank you for choosing Sanskriti as part of your celebration. 16,900 for this burgundy color. Burgundy color Katan silk Banarasi in burgundy. Blouse piece. See the gold butta all over zari gold butta. We ship worldwide, cash on delivery only in Kolkata. So now you see, today the Katan Banarasi Patni weaves, I am showing you the best of color chart. All the color charts, almost all rich and most popular colors, most liked colors I will be showing you in this episode. Dark viridian green color. Since the blouses are all running, so I am not showing the blouse. I'll just tell you the blouse will be same solid color green with the border. 16,900 for this. See the border, so intricate and gorgeous rich weave. So this is the Viridian green. Buttas. See the butta also, see, absolutely, it just seems as if it's just done printing, but the weave is so, it's just sitting on, I mean, it's not standing out, I mean, it's just as if it's just plain weave. It's so beautiful, the weave is done. Very pretty, neat. What I mean to say is neat, and just বসে আছে কাজটা একদম, বুনইটা একদম যেন আয়রন করা, একদম এত সুন্দর বুনইটা করা হয়েছে। This beautiful weave, the exquisite weave depends on the polishing also. Sometimes maybe the weave is good, but because of the not so good polish, what happens, the zari just sticks out and it comes out like this, that sometimes depends on the polish also. Sea green color, number 22, 16,900, it's in sea green. The border designs are also different from each other. The previous small paisley I was talking about, see the paisley, so cute paisley, and of course it will have the running blouse piece with this, blouse piece with the border. Rich maroon, even in our Facebook page, the prices and all from day one, it's all declared, no hide and seek. If it's pure, we say pure. If it's not pure, even in my episodes, I'm very, very particular about the product fabric. 16,900, pure handloom, pure katan, deep maroon color with red border, red magenta, red rani border, dual tone, with petni and with paisley, small buttas all over. Here comes the pallu. Petnis have very rich pallus and borders. So this is the main border and pallu concept saris with rich katan silk, which is also a very, very rich silk in India, in Varanasi. Beautiful, this is woven in Varanasi, beautiful sari, and in a rich gorgeous color chart also, very uncommon color tone. Like I said, the blouse piece. Another burgundy, but the border and the butta is different, so I am showing you this color also. This border is different from the previous burgundy that I showed you. Please visit the store for more options. We have loads of stock coming every day. So, but to get this particular product, prior booking is required. This is the blouse piece. See the pallu. Stunning, gorgeous pallu, gorgeous border. And here is how beautiful the pleat is falling. In between, let me show you mine also. I'm wearing a dark coffee colored Katan silk again. Petni, same sari, same price. Border, both side woven border. The pallu, the blouse piece running. And this color is very uncommon, dark, very dark chocolate color, and the price, as I said, 16,900. Now the neck piece that I am wearing, it's a choker, extremely uncommon. I really love this neck piece, and it's 4,300 with this earring. Cute pair of earrings, 4,300. But I would definitely like to show you once again the filigree work in this each, this panel, small attachment in this choker. It's a very uncommon piece done in red velvet and with a tassel in the back. 4300, exquisite and very artistic neck piece, and the set of 6 bangles, 2 broader. The outer ones will be broader than the middle 4. It's 2450 for a set of 6. You see the meenas in between, 2426 size. So the set goes with a lot of any ethnic wear. So this is 2450 and the neck piece is 4300. The last one of the Petni in Katan is in a dual tone. Wow, what an unique color. Green mustard combination, very uncommon. Neither pista nor it's mustard nor it's lime. It's I'll not say the color, just check out for yourself. This color is very prominent in the video. We are not filtering any of our products, whatever it's clicked in the showroom light, that's it. See the color combination, it's very uncommon. It's giving a very gold look when I'm looking from here, as if it's a gold color sari. Especially because the gold and this is blending so well. The border, very elegant sari with Meena Buta. This particularly has Meena Buta. Now let me check the price. Okay, the price is also same. Even though this has Meena Buta in between, the price remains the same. 16,900. Stunning piece, very pretty sari. Blouse piece. I would definitely drape this. The darker charts have another class, and these again, these type of colors again, it has another different elegance. 16,900 for this. And I wouldn't neglect my doll. She's wearing a beautiful Jal Dupian Tassar Banarasi with Petni Jal weave. This is again hand woven, pure handloom product in pure Dupian with a tomato red blouse piece with Petni border. Bridal collection, hand woven. See the pallu, gorgeous pallu and the body. It's a red rani dual tone weave in pure Dupian Tassar Banarasi, and this Petni weave in Meena is all over woven. Full sari is woven and woven in zari tissue in Dupian. What a beautiful artistic sari. Price 20,900. 20,900 for this with the running this contrast blouse piece, and we've made her wear it with our ready-made designer blouses. It's in mint green color, all over ikat design, zari embroidery, 2500, size 34, 36, 38. We have 3 sizes in this mint green color, sea green color silk blouse, and it's 2500 for this collared, and we have 3 sizes. There's fabric inside, and as I said, this is 20,900 with all over pure silk dupion Meena Paithani. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Myself Lalia Dattagupta. নমস্কার, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন।